Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be going to show you that how you can integrate Tailwind CSS with React and also tell you how you can set up React.js using Vite. So let's begin. First of all, we will be going to Google and will be searching that we want to install React with the help of Vite and also want to integrate Tailwind. Then there will be a first site which will be looking like this and will be going to this site. There, after that, we will be shown some commands which we have to run in our VS Code or any IDE which you want to work with. So let's move with the IDE. So let me open my IDE. Yeah, here my IDE is opening now. And I have made an empty folder named as Frontend, and there I will be showing you how you can perform it. So first of all, you have to open the terminal command there, and now looking for the commands which we have to run. First of all, we have to run this npm create at read at the latest command, where we will be making our project using Vite and will be giving my project name as the my project name as shown in the command and pressing enter, and we'll wait for a while. In the meantime, we will be going and we'll be going to the inside the project using the cd project command basically. So let's move to that command. Here, after running of this command, now we will be selecting React as we are making the React integration with the React using Vite.js and integrating Tailwind CSS along with it. For that, I am using JavaScript, and then now moving inside the my project folder. So I will be typing the command cd, which will be used to enter inside the directory which is named as my project. Now, as you can see, we are inside the my project directory. So now let's further see the documentation, what we have to do next. For that, now we have to install the Tailwind CSS. For that, I will be copying this command and will be pasting in the VS Code here. Now, as you can see that my files have been created here, and I am now installing Tailwind CSS along with it here only. Just wait for a while. And meanwhile, let's look at the next step. So now we have to copy these two lines here in the vite.config.ts file. It can be vite.config.js file also. So now let's copy this file and we'll move, and we should wait for it to download as the download is in process. So just waiting for it to download. So now, as you can see, the Tailwind CSS is installed. Now going to vite.config.js file. Here I have to paste the two lines shown in the documentation. I have pasted one line, and moving to the next line, let's go and paste that also, which is the Tailwind CSS in the plugins. I have pasted, and I will be pasting it here, giving a comma, and will be pasting here. So now the next step in the documentation is we have to import the tailwind.css file. So let's import the tailwind CSS file in, and we will be going to the src folder where I will be going to the index.css file and will be removing these all this index.css files content, and will be pasting this @import tailwind css. So now moving further, we have to run npm run dev. But before running of npm run dev, we should also run the npm install as suggested here. So running npm install, here it will download all the dependencies needed for the React project. And yeah, the all the dependencies have been installed successfully. So now moving further, we will be installing uh, we will be basically running our project, React project, and I have implemented, and the project will be running in a while. Yeah, so our project, our link has been active at the localhost 5173. So moving to that link, you can see that my Vite project, React project along using Vite have been launched. It is not aligned in a proper way, as I have removed all the CS index.css file content, and I did that import at the rate import tailwind CSS. So now moving further, let's check whether our CSS is working properly or not. For that, we can check by implementing. For that, first of all, we have to import that index.css file. And now if we will be like adding these things, so here you can see that it is showing me the suggestions. For example, I want the text color to be of this color, so I have added the, and I want the size of this to be 7 XL. Along with that, for these kind of recommendation, you need to download the extension. For this, you have to go to this extension box in the VS Code. It may from depend ID to ID. There, when you type the Tailwind CSS, there you will get an official Tailwind CSS intelligence, which when you download, I have already downloaded it, which when you download it, you will get suggestions like I am getting here. And yeah, so now moving further, let's see whether our changes are working or not. It's showing some error. Let me see the error. That what the problem with it. There is some error in the code. What's the error? Let me see. So the error was that here the dot is missing. So now this it will be working fine. As you can see now, if you see that, oh sorry, I have removed the X size 6. Let us, and you can see that the size of this text has become 6 XL. So now you can see that the Tailwind CSS is working fine in this method. So here is you how you can integrate React along with Tailwind CSS. Thank you. Thank you for watching.